What is up guys? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Shorty Residences just across Mall of Asia. So eto, makikita nyo nasa harap tayo ng Towers 3 and 4. So for this project, it's all ready for occupancy and meron tayong mga in-offer dito na units na ready to move in after 90 days. And meron din naman tayong in-offer na units dito na under pre-selling pa. So if you're interested to see this property, just sit back, relax, and dadalhin ko kayo sa loob. Let's go! So hello guys, ngayon nasa harap naman tayo ng Towers 3 and 4 lobby. So para makita nyo yung hotel style lobby natin, sundan nyo lang ako and i-showcase ko sa inyo yung pinaka-receiving area natin as well as yung gym na in-offer din natin located in Tower 3 and yung iba't ibang amenities na in-offer natin on the second floor level. So tara! So welcome guys sa lobby ng Towers 3 and 4 ng Shorty Residences. And as you can see, makikita nyo yung pinaka-lobby area natin na hotel vibes. Kaya if you're planning to run it in an Airbnb business, makifeel ng mga magiging guests mo dito na parang nasa hotel sila. As you can see, very elegant din yung design na ginawa ni SMDC. When it comes to the finishes, high grade yung mga tiles natin. Yung walls, bespoke din yung ginamit nating designs dito. And actually, yun yung isa sa mga pinaka-advantage talaga ng Shorty Residences. So after this video guys, pupunta natin yung amenity para makita nyo yung in-offer namin ng mga swimming pools and gym dito for this project. So ngayon guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa gym area ng Shorty Residences. So try natin pumasok, baka bukas siya. Sa kabila pa. Guys, ito yung gym ng Shorty Residences. Actually, if you're a unit owner here, free to use to ng mga unit owners as well as the occupants na ililista nyo upon your turnover. So sa occupant list guys, pwede nyo ilista yung mga relatives nyo, friends. Maximum of 4 packs kapag 1 bedroom yung kinuha nyo. And for 2 bedrooms naman, up to 8 packs yung pwede nyo i-list as occupant. So tara, pasok tayo sa gym. So guys, this is the gym area of Shorty Residences. And as you can see, semi-complete naman yung mga equipments na ino-offer ng SMDC Shorty as well as talagang pwede naman kayong mag-complete ng mga sets nyo if you're working out. Kung kailangan mo ng mga dumbbells, meron din tayong in-offers dito. So yan guys, super complete package na nung property na to. Kaya it's good for rental business, it's also good for personal use. Dahil malapit siya sa lahat. Malapit sa airport, malapit sa mall, sa mga restaurants, and malapit din siya sa mga casinos, yung mga high-end casinos natin like the Okada and yung Soler, Entertainment City. It's only 5 to 10 minutes away lang from this project.
Aray ko!
So, try natin guys mag-gym kung papayagan tayo. So we apologize guys for inconvenience. So meron pang mga inaayos dito. Pero definitely guys, pag naayos to, semi-complete talaga siya. Di mo na kailangan mag-enroll sa Anytime Fitness or yung mga gym na may membership. Kumbaga pag tumira ka dito, may libre ka ng gym. So ganun kaganda yung mag-invest dito sa property na to. Ngayon, punta tayo sa elevator lobby ng Shorty Tower 3. By the way guys, ito pala, this serves as the function room of the project. So kung meron kang celebrations or events na gustong gawin dito, pwede mong i-rent tong space na to. And it can accommodate up to 50 packs for each function rooms. Meron tayong 4 na function rooms dito. So these function rooms talaga in total can accommodate up to 200 packs in total. So let's proceed guys dun sa elevator lobby natin. Here's the elevator lobby guys ng Tower 3. So for each towers guys, meron tayong ino-offer na 6 elevators. Kaya hindi kayo mamamroblema sa traffic flow ng elevator kasi marami tayong elevators na ino-offer. Later on guys, punta tayo sa amenity para makita nyo yung ino-offer namin na pools. And ayun guys, actually itong lobby na to ng Tower 3 and 4, it's a combined lobby. So dito sa video na to, mapapakita namin na sobrang laki talaga ng receiving area for Towers 3 and 4. And dito yung pinaka-lobby ng Tower 4 naman. So there's a hallway going to the elevator lobby, same as the Tower 3 na meron din hallway muna bago makapunta sa elevator lobby. So as mentioned earlier guys, meron tayong several function rooms dito. So from the opposite side, sa Tower 3, meron dong function rooms and gym. While dito naman sa Tower 4, more on function rooms lang yung meron dito. So these function rooms, actually, these are combinable function rooms. So it can accommodate up to 100 packs din. So going tayo sa elevator lobby guys ng Tower 4 para makita nyo din na almost the same lang naman sila ng design ng Tower 3 lobby. And actually, Towers 3 and 4, it's one of the best options din na piliin kasi Towers 3 and 4, ito yung pinakamalapit sa side ng Mall of Asia. Kaya kung ayaw mo nang umikot from Tower 1, I would really suggest Tower 3 and 4 na kumuha ka ng property. Although yung prices nila sa Towers 1 and 2, mas mura yung mga units doon unlike here in Towers 3 and 4 because we consider this tower as the premium tower talaga ng short tree. So tara guys, punta naman natin yung elevator lobby ng Tower 4. Almost the same guys with the Tower 3 lobby. As you can see, yung elevator lobby natin with Tower 4 is as luxurious as Tower 3. And definitely yung makikita nyo dito talaga is a high-end finish. So we consider this short tree din talaga as one of the premier project of SMDC. And later on guys, punta natin yung amenity after this video para makita natin yung ino-offer natin ng mga pools dito sa area. And guys, ito yung elevator lobby ng Shore 3 Towers 1 and 2. So ngayon nasa Tower 2 tayo and we're going to second floor level ng building na to. Kasi yung amenities natin just to share with you is located sa second floor level. And eventually guys, yung amenities natin connecting to Towers Shore 1, 2, and 3, co-connect sila very soon. So welcome guys sa amenity level ng Towers 1 and 2 which is connected also to Towers 3 and 4. So as of the moment, ito yung operating natin or currently active na amenity level natin for short tree residences. So ikot ko kayo guys. As of this moment guys, ongoing pa yung construction ng amenities natin for Towers 3 and 4. But hopefully this year mag-open na siya. Just to share with you, yung amenities ng Towers 1 to 4, they are shared amenities naman. So regardless of which tower kayo nakatira, pwede nyo gamitin lahat ng swimming pool sa Shore Residences project. And before tayo mag-proceed guys sa Towers 1 and 2, gusto ko lang sana sa inyo i-showcase na at the ground floor level of this project, meron dito mga commercial establishments. So sa video na to guys, may kita nyo yung iba't ibang commercial establishments na pwede nyong ma-enjoy within the vicinity or within the project. Kung tinatamad kang pumunta ng Mall of Asia, nandito na naman yung mga basic needs na pwedeng i-provide sa'yo ng mga commercial establishment. And proceeding din guys here sa outside or sa in front of lobby of Towers 3 and 4, meron tayong Bancheto dito. It's like a mini food park just in front of the project. Kaya every night guys, may enjoy mo din yung vibes dito. Buhay na buhay yung area, kaya maganda rin talagang ipa-Airbnb business siya. So ito guys yung Bancheto natin. Actually itong Bancheto na to, some of the food trucks bukas naman, like ito. Tapos ito magbubukas pa lang. Pero definitely mamayang gabi bukas na sila lahat. And actually guys, kaya maganda rin dito sa short tree mag-invest. Kung aside kung gusto mong gawin siyang for personal use, maganda siya for rental business kasi it's only across the e-com offices na si SM din yung gumawa. Kaya yung mga offices dyan na nilease ng mga international companies, they are looking for properties din na walking distance to their work. Kaya isa rin sila sa mga pwede natin maging target market kung ipaparenta natin yung unit for long-term use. So tara guys, let's proceed to Towers 1 and 2. From the ground floor level guys, going to Towers 1 and 2, iikot pa tayo from Towers 3 and 4. Pero once na open na yung amenity area ng Towers 3 and 4, connected lahat din ng towers natin sa amenity area. So if you're living in Tower 1 or meron kang Airbnb unit sa Tower 1, pwede ka naman mag-cross going to Tower 3 and 4 pababa sa lobby nila. So yun guys, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa lobbies ng Towers 1 and 2 which is at the back side of Towers 3 and 4. Para makita nyo din guys kung ano yung design ng Towers 1 and 2 lobby. Let's proceed guys sa lobby para makita nyo yung itsura. So, welcome guys sa lobby ng Towers 1 and 2. And as you can see, yung sa video na to, almost the same lang naman sila ng vibes sa Towers 3 and 4. Although, yun nga, pareho lang talaga sila na hotel vibes. Pero dito sa lobby na to, nasa likod siya ng Towers 3 and 4. What is up guys? Another condo day na naman tayo ngayon sa Shore Tree Residences. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa lobby ng Shore Tree and meron tayong meet ulit na client today. Actually, pangatlong beses ko na siyang matitripping. So nag-start kami sa Breeze dito sa Pasay, tapos sa Gold. Ngayon, interested naman siyang makita tong Shore Tree Residences. So, syempre, hintay natin yung decision niya kung ano talagang gusto niyang makuhang property. Pero for this video guys, makikita niyo din yung in-offer namin na units dito sa Shore Tree as well as the amenities din. And the lobbies as well. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Hi, ma'am. Nice to meet you. Justin Lanyoso po. Sige, ma'am. Bali, ma'am, proceed po tayo, ma'am, sa... So, ito po, this is Family Suite B. So, sige, pasok po kayo. Upon entering the unit po, meron na siyang complete finished. Yes po. Complete finished na siya. So, pag high ceiling to, pwede pa kayo mag-loft style. Although ito po, medyo compact lang talaga kasi 26 square meters. Pero if you're going to lease it to Airbnb, sir, definitely this unit can earn 45,000 to 120K monthly. Tsaka yung future din ng area. Dahil marami pang pwedeng i-develop dito.
Tsaka pag may extra na lang po siya, ma'am, pag may extra na lang siya during 22 months, lump sum na lang siya para bumaba na lang. At least yan, ma'am, anything what happens po, 37K, sobrang kaya nang i-cover ng Airbnb yan. Sir, thank you so much ulit. Kamain ko po kayo. Congrats po. Sir, congrats Welcome to Short Trip.